Perfect baking every time. Our fun confetti loaf pan combines the stability of metal bakeware with the flexibility, non-stick performance and quick cleanup of silicone. An integrated steel rim gives the pan structure and secure handling, while the highest quality European silicone cools quickly and lets you pop out your baked creations without the need for utensils. Oven safe to temperatures of 428 F, 220 C. BPA free and food safe. Structure silicone is dishwasher safe and is resistant to thermal shock, allowing it to transport safely from freezer to oven. This product is the original and protected by a patent. Cook the perfect bread with this pretty and colorful Trudeau structure silicone confetti loaf pan. Soft but secure at the same time, it is made of silicone with an integrated steel structure. Loafs come out with the perfect browning and are easy to release from the pan. You will also love its other attributes. It is safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, microwave safe and freezer safe. And once cooking is over, simply pop the pan in the dishwasher. Top reviews from the United States. The best bread pans I have ever had. I have been baking bread since I was a preteen when I was helping my mom in the kitchen. I have used a wide variety of bread pans. And I have eating a wide variety of ways, from keto to SAD to WFPBNO. Since I have gone plant-based, finding a pan that will not stick to the breads I bake has been a challenge. And I am tired of the parchment paper saga, even with the crumple it first hack. Crumpling it never stopped the paper from folding inward into a batter, creating a mess, when pouring in a quick bread into the parchment-lined load pan. And even before that, when I baked with oil etc. The loaf would have its issues. So I bought 2 of these Trudeau structure loaf pans and I have loved them ever since. No sticking, no stability issues. It is a learning curve with baking time, but that is something I can easily learn and adjust as I go. I love these pans and am thrilled to be done with parchment paper.